Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. And today, this is going to be a special review of the Liberty Air 2 true wireless earbuds. I saw a tweet from my homie, El Jefe Reviews. He said that these now support Ldac, so this is a perfect opportunity to go ahead and review these. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the price. On Amazon, as I'm recording this video, they're $128.99, and they come in blue, black, pink, and white. Now, the features. You get stereo mono mode, 26 hours with a charging case, personalized EQ with Hear ID, more on that later, targeting active noise cancellation, wireless charging, 6 microphones for calls, that's 3 microphones on each earbud. You get Soundcore app support, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX4 IP rating, and touch controls. Now, I had these since May. I got these around Mother's Day. Got them for like $100. Pretty good deal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick unboxing of these. Now here's the buds. When you first get them when you first open them up, the buds will be right here, the charging case will be right here. Let's pull this tabby. If I can just get it. Oh no. There, got it. You pull this out. Same setup as the Soundcore Lite P3s. You'll find the charging cable, which is USB-A to USB Type-C right here. And you'll get some paperwork, a quick start guide, and some warranty stuff. And under that, you'll find 9 sets of ear tips. And we got extra, extra small, extra small, extra, extra small, small, large, extra large, medium plus, and large plus. Now I think I got the ones that came on these, the stock tips. Because guess what? With Soundcore earbuds, you don't need spin fits. Don't need them. Yeet. Because you getting all of these tips. Let me go ahead and pull these out. Can I pull this out? No, I can't pull it out. It's built into here. But yeah, you getting all of this, you don't need spin fit. So I'm going to go ahead and move this box out the way. And let's go over the fit and the design of the earbuds. Now the case is pocketable. It's got LED indicators lights on the front. You get 3. You get some branding on the inside. You get the left and the right. Soundcore logo up top. Flip it around the back. You get the reset or pairing button. You press that. I use that just to see how much battery life is on the case. And you also get USB Type-C charging. And like I said before, they do support wireless charging. Just like the Soundcore Lite P3s. Boom. It's like a shimmery paint job on these. These are the blue ones. I got the blue. I like this color. In the earbuds, you got some gray. You got Soundcore at the bottom. You got the Soundcore logo right there. I like the accents. I like these tips too. Let me take this off. You can see this looks. You don't see something like this only on like in-ear monitors. Like here are my periodic audio titanium in-ear monitors. Check this out. So very similar. Now as far as the fit, the buds are shaped in a way where they'll fit in your ears comfortably and give you a secure fit. So all you gotta do is just put them in your ears and give like a little twist towards the top, and there you go. They fit good. I like these tips too. They're very soft and they're very like malleable. They fit in my ear holes good. Now the other features that they have, which is like ANC and transparency mode and Hear ID, you have to go through the app to get that. So this is going to be features part 2. I got my Nord EPT phone right here. let's go ahead and just check these out. See? I don't know if you can see that. Let me get that light off of there. You see that Ldac symbol right there? Boom. That Ldac. Updated this afternoon. You see the charging indicator lights, battery for the buds, left and right, fully charged. You got the tip fit test, just like the Live P3s. So basically, just like I did in my previous review of these earbuds, you put the earbuds in your ears, and then you press, earbuds in position, blah 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 blah, get a good seal. Now, the targeted active noise cancellation, that's where these things are like A1. So you get normal mode, listen to them, no noise cancellation, no transparency mode. So you take the buds out of the case, and I'm gonna turn that on so you can go fully transparent, so you can hear everything around you, like Superman. Or you can go vocal mode, where voices stand out more clearly from other ambient sounds. So if somebody is trying to talk to you, you can still keep the earbuds in your ears. I like fully transparent mode though. Now the noise cancellation, now this is cool because you can like, you got transport, you got indoor, you got outdoor. Indoor eliminates voices and mid-frequency noise from coffee shops and other inside places. Transport, it targets low-end frequencies like engine and road noise. And then you got outdoor, reduces sound on the go for quiet city spaces. Really good. Oh, I didn't see that. What's this custom? Oh, I didn't see this before. Adjust the most suitable noise reduction level for you. Now that's tight. I've never seen this before. Hold on, let me try this out. So I can make these things. Hold up. Okay, Okay, it's just a dial. I can't really tell a difference. But that's actually tight. Let me click the little eye icon. Oh, that's just to tell you if you want to get quick access to the active noise cancellation and transparency mode settings, just put a widget on the home screen of your phone. Now, Hear ID. Now, this isn't on the Live P3 earbuds. The equalizer is, but not Hear ID. So what this basically is a personalized EQ. You ever went to the ear, noise, throat doctor when you were a kid, and they had them do like a test on your hearing to see, how good your hearing is? Mine's trash, but this is my hearing. It's trash. This is my personal Hear ID profile. And it has additional settings. I have not seen this before. Okay. Nice. Okay, that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is my hearing. My left ear is not as good as my right ear. And you also got, the equalizer. You have pretty much every music genre. So, pick your poison. You want more treble, less treble, R&B, piano, pop, Latin, hip hop, jazz. You want a flat sound signature. You want EDM. You want dance, podcast, classical music. You got bass booster and bass reducer. Now, let's talk about the controls. Now, just like the Live P3, you can customize the controls to how you see fit. You get a single tap, double tap, and you also get the hold for 2 seconds. I really wish Soundcore would give us that triple tap. That way I get full touch controls and I can just customize it any way I want. Now, since I am very much in love with Soundpeach-like implementation of the touch controls, if I had that third option, that triple tap, I would just set it up like that, because that's the easiest to remember for me. Now, as far as the battery life is concerned, you get 26 hours with the charging case. And then you add the 7 hours on a single charge. That's how much battery life. You also get quick charge. and you get wireless charging. Now, the buds will take 90 minutes to charge, but they're completely dead if you're charging them with a cable, and they'll take about 2 hours to charge if you use a charging pad. Now, sound quality. Now, because they've been updated to support Ldac. Now, what is Ldac exactly? Ldac is a Bluetooth codec that is capable of transferring 3 times more data from your device to the earbuds to preserve high-res sound quality. So, think of it as like, lossless with Apple Music, or it's not really spatial audio, but it's basically like lossless on Apple Music. And I've been testing out the, I take the buds. Also, you got that quick connect too. Check this out. Let me see if that was fast. You also got that quick connect feature, just like that. I'm gonna go into settings here and see if I can find any info. Okay, here we go. I gotta turn on here sound mode. So when Ldac codec is enabled, it will increase power consumption. You may occasionally experience connection instability in some environments, which, that's okay. There's always a trade-off. I'm gonna try and see, let me go in the title right quick. Let me find, I'm pretty sure title supports Ldac support. Let me look at the streaming here. Okay, streaming. Let me go high. Do that. And go high on Wi-Fi and cellular. Okay, now let me find some music to listen to. Come on. Let me see and find some type of. Okay, let's go J. Cole. All right. Let's see if I notice any difference. It sounds pretty good. Okay. Go another track. All right. Ooh, that bass went boom. Ooh, man. Ooh. Yeah, that bass is, it's got a life of its own now. Jesus Christ. Okay, that Ldac is nice. Title, good. Bye-bye, Pandora. So yeah, in conclusion, comparing these to the Soundcore Live P3 is like comparing apples to apples. They're nearly the same earbud. I mean, the only difference is this is a little more cheaper build quality, but it's still got that Soundcore design. That lid's a little but yeah. You don't have the Hear ID with the Live P3s, but you're getting the equalizer, you're getting the tip fit test, you're getting, wireless charging, you're getting the same battery life. You're pretty much getting everything that on the Liberty Air 2 Pros. So really the difference between these is like $50. You can get these from Amazon for $79.99, or you can get these for $128.99. That's pretty much it. You're getting the same sound quality. I mean, even though these don't support like Ldac, that's really not a big deal. So in conclusion, Soundcore wants that bag, man. They really want that bag. And I'll give it to them. I'll give it all. Man. Whew. Sound quality on these and these, even the Liberty Air 2s, it's legit, man. It's getting closer and closer to like in-ear monitor quality. where it's like, deep, punchy bass. It just moves from your head down to your chest. And the clarity and the details and the highs, the male and female vocals, if you're listening to Jeff Buckley or Mariah Carey or Edie Brickell and the New Bohemians, any type of music genre you listen to, it's just like you're rediscovering it all over again. So, yeah. Ldac support, it's legit. Even without Ldac support, these buds are still legit. So, this has been my review of the Liberty Air 2 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching. This ear